Hello and welcome back on my YouTube channel, Pardoshi Learning by Doing. So today in this video, we are going to focus on a topic that is related to UiPath forms. As you might have already seen the title, we are going to try and calculate the values in our UiPath form dynamically. Normally what happens is when a value changes, and this is in the latest update of the UiPath forms that we had in 2023. It's been a long time since these updates have came, and I had also uploaded a video on getting started with forms in 2023. It was 8 months ago, and I really got a very good response with that. And then there was other videos as well working with data tables in UiPath forms. Today we are going to see something on how you can tweak the JSON which is there in our UiPath forms and build some dynamic form elements. So let's get into that. I've created a form where I have quantity, I have amount, text, and total. So what I want to do is as soon as user enters the quantity, amount, and text, I want to auto calculate the total amount. So this is the basic form that I've designed. You can use the number component which is there over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have created a main workflow where I'm using the show form activity, bringing form to foreground, and just running the local triggers. Since you see there are many different workflows that I've created for demo, this is just one of the part for that. All right. Now let me debug it and show what I'm trying to do. Now, if you see, there is no particular logic written over here, as you see on my screen. Here, I have no logic of calculations or anything. So if I go to form, I'm going to take it as simple calculation. Quantity is 20, amount per quantity is 5, and the text is going to be 18%. So if you see, 118 is the total amount. So it is auto-calculated over there. If I change this, you say it is on the spot, dynamically getting updated. So how have I built this? If I do it, let me make it 50. So 11,800, anything. You can write something as 175 and you will get that. If I change this 20, I will get this. And then this is something for better user experience when you are building an automation where, let's suppose you are taking a order creation form. You have an order creation form, and when the user enters the detail, you just want to auto populate the rest of the fields, right? So we are going to see how we can create that, and I'm going to click on stop. All right. So it is going to be a very quick video, and we are going to quickly do that. And I'm also going to show you UiPath documentation for that as well. So I have four number fields: quantity, amount, text, and total. Here, their field keys are quantity, similarly amount and text. In total, what you have to do is not this, but you have to go to edit JSON. Once you click on that for the particular field, you will see only this much by default. The other part which is there, we are going to add that. So what you have to do, once this is there, just add an additional comma over here. After that, use the key calculate value. Make sure it is case sensitive so you enter it correctly. Calculate value is what I have entered, colons in double quotes. Even though this is a formula, you will have to write it in double quotes. You have to write value equal to, and here you have to specify the arithmetic operation or the formula that you want to use to calculate the value. So how you can access the individual fields which are there, like quantity, amount, and text. How you can do that? If I go over here, you have to use the data keyword. So data dot quantity, data dot amount. So I have just added that into parentheses, multiplied by, this is my formula, 1 plus data into text, the percentage. So I'm going to do that. This is my formula of calculating the total amount. That is quantity multiplied by amount multiplied by 1 plus text percentage. So I've written that formula over here, and you can write any formula. It's not only this, you can also append the string values. If I go back over here, you will see calculate form components value. For string, we have this data dot first name plus, I've added a space over here. So you can add space with the single quotes, data dot last name. And similarly, you can update over here. So now if you see John, last name is getting appended, John Doe. So this is how you can calculate the form component values. And It can be done for n number of fields and n number of things. Like I said, one of the example is where you are creating a order creation form. Then you can use this kind of formulas. And there are many different places as well. So thank you so much for watching the complete video. I hope you found it helpful. And if you found it helpful, do like, share the video, and comment if you have any queries on UiPath forms. Thank you for watching the complete video.